Hello girls, welcome back to iTechnology Reviews. We have a product interesting for you. I know you are preoccupied by keeping your house clean, our house clean, and you want good technical premium stuff to help you better, right? To maintain the house clean. Today we have the Philips Cordless Vacuum Cleaner that is this model. Is like I'm trying to understand you girls, why are these technologies with this bag here and not carry that, you have a cord and you carry around like a carriage the vacuum cleaner around your house.
I said don't disturb you, I'm cleaning my room!
Now you don't have a cord, it's like a big stick, and on your arm you can clean, and this is the recipient of the dust and all the debris. Well, this is the Philips 3000 series and it's the model XC3032 I saw that it's almost 300 euros, so it's very expensive in my conception. I don't know, maybe for you it's a great piece. I'm trying to understand all the technology even for women. So it has 25 volts, it can run 60 minutes, it has 0.3 this dust recipient, but it has 80 decibels, so 80. Isn't this a lot? 80 decibels? I don't know. We'll test, we'll see. Let's do an unboxing, girls, and it couldn't be good. I'm still searching for someone to be in this show and to review this product. I just got this product and I don't sincerely, I can handle it, but a girl who talks with the dust, you have your things, I think it's better this way. The motor, it's interesting here, we'll see, and it's LED illuminated because you cannot see on your tiles the dust very good, it hides, or on your laminate flooring. So this one comes with a variable power, but we will talk when we unbox it. Let's see. So Philips put on their boxes that this is recycled on every side. Recycled 75%, paper recycled. Oh yeah, 75, yeah, you see. Mad. As we expect, Philips, I don't know, I like this brand. As we get used to Philips, comes in the nice box, in all these accessories and bags, not to be scratched. They care about the quality. I think this is a docking station, charging station. Okay, this is the nail gun. Pew, pew. No? What the? It started. It doesn't have a mechanism to block here on the shipping. The details are amazing. I'm amazed how perfect the quality can be and how innovative the manufacturers can be, these big manufacturers. Philips said the hair cutting and the other technologies, I think it's the best one. It has a lot of improvements and a lot of technical stuff, but on the other products as well, Philips is good. If I can make it there, I can make it anywhere. How the hell? Ooh!
Hello? Hello?
With this tool, I'm gonna suck you in from this monitor. Variable power. Okay. Philips 3000 series, look how nice. And it remains the vacuum cleaner brush, which is very mobile. This head is so mobile, wobbly, warm. very interesting and fuzzy. Okay, so let's put it. The mechanism is so simple. Click, you see, very easy, and I think it's it has two wheels here. Easy to install, very simple. And the docking station, the charging station, you can put it onto your wall. You see here you have two screws here. Put it in your wall, tighten it, and you can charge it. Let's see, just like this. Let's see, let me show you. You got to take out from this, and you can charge it like this. You have a connector there, also connector there. You can put it like this. Click, and into the charging station will charge your vacuum cleaner. 60 minutes, I think it's good. So you can take out the battery from this one. You can take only the battery out. You don't have to take out all the assemble. You can keep the assemble. Let's see, let's put it back. So here you have a button. You can press this button, take out the battery, recharge it, put it back, start cleaning again without I think it's cool. Now we filming today into the studio, and it's a bit messy. We have some dust, we have some let's try to see how is this vacuum cleaner. This dust, you figure it out, will suck the laminated floor. Will not have problem at this minimal dust that exists in this room, in this studio. Okay guys, let's see. Let's take this vacuum cleaner, which has these new wheelies. Oh, looks so cool. Has LEDs right into the front for you to see the dust better. And 80 decibels. I don't think it has 80 decibels. It's not silent, but it's not also that noisy. We have the competitor, the Roventa here, which does the job very good. Let's see. Okay. It's good that you don't need lights, and it's good that it's very flexible into the front. You can vacuum, I don't know, every surface. Ladies, please tell me I'm missing something. Yes, of course, you can do this, and it's a little bit of the dust. My Roventa robot gets under there, but not in every corner. So yeah, you can juggle with it. I like keeping clean also. This is the lobby where the dust and you untie your shoes, and all the mud is here, and you have to wash it periodically at 2 days. And Philips does a great job. I didn't made any problem for this, and sucks in so good. The battery indicator and the power, and you can see the debris and all the filth, all the dust here in this recipient. It has also, I think it's a filter there. It must have a filter. You can then you can take out the trash, go and put it to your trash, open it up from, let's see, from somewhere from here. I think you see it's a little knob. What I don't like is that it doesn't stay like this if you are putting it, whoa. So you have to put that charger support at this level somewhere, or to put it under your bed. It would be nice to have a locking mechanism I watch here, but it doesn't have a locking mechanism to stay in this position, exactly like this, to leave it and to get stuck somehow. Or maybe you don't need this, but I think it's a useful stuff to stay like this, to have a locking mechanism right here. Well, I got to say the sucking power, it's okay. To the first speed and to the second speed, it's very powerful. Doesn't make any problems. The noise, it's medium, let's say. It could be less. For example, that robot has way less noise. Girls, I don't know exactly what to say to be useful. It's a good product, but it's quite expensive. I think it's a little bit expensive. Philips could make it more silent at this money. It's just my opinion. It doesn't mean I'm true here, because in the women product, or let's say cleaning products, I don't have a very big experience. I review some of electronics in the cleaning, but not a lot of them. And it's a futuristic look. It looks amazing. It cleans good, but the only my disturbance is that it's very noisy. Couldn't be silent at this money, because Philips has also 3000 series 3031 that it's at the half of the price of the 3032. I don't think there are big differences. I looked at the specification that I didn't see differences. All 60 mini 0.3 liters with that one. This is a new model. I don't know what they have improved. So I took out the filter, and you have to press this one, this knob here, and you have to be very strong with two hands and get this thing out. It has a filter, and put it back in to be ready for work. So girls, I hope you like this product. I think it looks interesting. It has an utility. And do I recommend it? Oh, I think yes. But if you can afford a robot, I recommend you to take a robot. But you ladies know this has another purpose, that a robot cannot reach some places, for example, and you can reach a place. It's you don't have a power cord for this one. This could be another Pro. It's easy to store, to get out and clean and get back in without any cables. This is the main advantage of this vacuum cleaner. And of course, comment into the comment section and tell me what are the most advantages with this new vacuum cleaners. Thank you for watching, girls. Have a great day. See you, and subscribe that button. Thank you. Bye.